Hello, hello, hello. Well, today's class is going to be about a reading activity and a vocabulary activity. So first I want you to see this picture, and the picture says, where is Amelia Earhart? So I'm going to tell you some sentences, and you have to tell me if you think these sentences are true or false. So maybe you can pause the video and think about the sentences. So the first one is, Amelia Earhart was a famous pilot. What do you think? True or false? So number two is, she flew across the Atlantic Ocean. True or false? Number three, in the photo, she's just landed her plane. True or false? And number four, she lived until she was 100 years old. True or false? Well, here you have a picture, and this is Amelia Earhart, right? Well, these sentences are on page 74. This is the first activity. Then I'm going to share with you the keys. So maybe you should read activity number 2. Yes, you have to read the article and you have to check your ideas. This is the article. This part, which says 3 theories. You're going to read that and you're going to check your ideas, if they are true or false. Then we're going to do activity number 3. You have to read the second article and answer these questions. There are 4. So the second article is this part. Lost and found, the missing pilot. Then we're going to do activity number 4. You have to find these words in the article, and you have to look at how the words are used and try to guess their meaning. So maybe you have to replace the words in bold in the sentences with one of these words, and if they have the same meaning, that is the correct option. We are not going to do activity number 5, but we're going to do activity number 6. You will have to work alone, and you have to complete the summary with the missing words, only 4 words. Then we're going to look at the word building box, and it says, some nouns and verbs have the same form. They can have similar or unconnected meanings. So for example, similar meanings, it says land. We can have also cook, dance, play. They are verbs, they are nouns, and they have a similar meaning. But then we have verbs and nouns that don't have the same meaning. They are unconnected. So for example, content and content. Content is the subject matter, is a noun, and content is to satisfy, is a verb. Or we have desert and desert. Desert is the barren region, and desert is to abandon. So you have to do activity number 7, looking at the word building box, and you have to find these words in the articles, and you have to say if these words are used as nouns or verbs. Finally, we're going to do activity number 8. In activity number 8, what you have to do is to look at the same word in these sentences, and the question says, is the meaning similar to the meaning of the word in exercise 7? You have to tell me if they are the same, if they have the same meaning or not, and why. And finally, we're going to work with activity number 9, and we have speculation or fact. So here we have the definitions. So speculation is having a theory or guessing about something, and facts are items of information that we can check or show to be true or not true. Okay? So what you have to do is read these definitions, number 1 to 4, and you have to decide if they are speculation or facts. So we're going to do this for today. I'm going to send you also the keys, and I'm going to send you more activities related to the previous topic, certainty and possibility. So I hope you can understand everything from here. If you have any doubts, you can send me a message. And well, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.